awesome little artists. Welcome back to Mr. Painter. Today, we're going to color one of the funniest and coolest ogres ever, Sherek. And guess what? We'll use bright and colorful markers. Let's get started. Let's begin with Shrek's face and hands. I'm using a bright green marker, Shrek's famous ogre skin. Make sure to color slowly and stay inside the lines. Don't forget like my video and subscribe my channel. Forget his funny ears. Color them green too. His eyes are white with a little green in the middle. He's always watching something silly. Now let's color his shirt. It's off-white or light beige. His vest is dark brown. Nice and cozy, and his pants are dark brown, Shrek style. What about you, my friend? Do you love drawing? For his boots, color them brown. And don't forget the brown belt around his tummy. Perfect! want to draw? Let me know in the comments. Doesn't Shrek look amazing? You did a fantastic job coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time on MR.PAINTER. Bye-bye.